In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Google Ads Editor in 2025. We'll walk through each step, ensuring you have a smooth and easy experience getting this vital tool set up on your computer. Whether you're using a Windows PC or a Mac, it's straightforward to follow along. First, let's start by heading over to the Google Ads Editor website. Open up your preferred web browser and simply search for Google Ads Editor in the search bar, or go directly to the official Google Ads Editor page. This will bring you to the download site where you can access the software. Once you're on the Google Ads Editor page, it's time to choose your operating system. You'll see options that say download for Windows or download for Mac, depending on the type of computer you're using. Make sure to select the correct version to avoid installation issues. If you're not sure which one is right for you, you can check your computer settings or system information to confirm your operating system. Now that you've clicked the correct download button, the installer file for Google Ads Editor will start downloading automatically. This may take a moment, depending on your internet speed, so be patient. While it's downloading, it's a good idea to make sure you have enough space on your computer to handle the new software. Typically, you'll find the downloaded file in your computer's downloads folder, but if you've designated a different location, that's where it will be. Once the download is finished, navigate to that folder to find your installer file. The next step is to run the installer. To do this, double-click on the downloaded file. You'll see some on-screen prompts appear. Simply follow these instructions. Click Next when asked, read through and agree to the terms and conditions to proceed, and finally, choose the installation location if prompted. Usually sticking with the default location is perfectly fine and recommended for most users. After the installation process is complete, you're all set to launch Google Ads Editor. Go ahead and open the program. Before you can start managing your advertising campaigns, you'll need to sign in with your Google Ads account. This step connects your campaigns, allowing you to work offline, which is one of the major benefits of using Google Ads Editor. So there you have it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Google Ads Editor on your computer. With this tool, you're ready to manage your ad campaigns more efficiently and effectively. If you run into any issues or have questions, don't hesitate to seek help or consult the support resources available on the Google Ads website. Happy advertising.